Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. I typically like to talk about drugstore, anything that makes you glow, anything lightweight, that's kind of like my style, but I do favor reviewing drugstore makeup and tutorials kind of around that. But I do enjoy doing a variety of brands, products, you name it. Today's video, I'm going to talk about a highlighter that I am super late on, but many of you guys have told me to try it out, so I did. I went to CVS and I got the flowerbeauty Shimmer and Strobe highlighter. Now, so if you follow me, you know I recently reviewed the flowerbeauty. It was a shimmery highlight. I will link the video here. Huge disappointment. Huge disappointment. It was very glittery. It was a big no for me. And a couple of you were like, hey, why don't you try this highlighter out? It's so much better. And that's what I did. So we're going to talk about this one. This one is called, I think I mentioned it already, Flower Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette. This is what it looks like. It comes with a little, wait, hold on. It comes with a little brush. And the shade is called Champagne Shimmer. There's two shades. There's Champagne Shimmer, and then there's another shade that was really beautiful, but the shade, the colors were just a little bit darker. But now that I'm like thinking, I think it actually would have worked for me. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, so it's long-lasting, natural, luminous glow. It says Master Strobing with our Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette. Our 3 universal strobing shades are ideal to make any skin tone beam with radiance. So there are 3 shades in here. Let me just pop this little brush out. This brush feels actually pretty nice. It's not terrible. It's not like those cheapy brushes that they usually stick into the palettes in the drugstore. It's very soft. Now to the shades. These are the shades that we are working with. Very pretty. I'm going to swatch each individual one on the back of my hand. So I am just like picking up the shades like that. This is what they look like on my fingers. Super pretty. They feel very like creamy. It's very like finely milled and pressed nicely. I'm going to swatch. It's 1 shade, 2, 3. Look how pretty that is. Wait, it's focusing on my face and not the swatches. There you go. Very pretty. You see as I turn my hand, like the light catches it really nice. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to grab it again and I'm going to blend them right next to my hand. Because I do think that the colors mixed together are going to be a beautiful shade. This is them mixed together. Definitely pretty. I like that you have 3 options. I'm not crazy about the gold shade, but it's doable. Obviously it's a heavy swatch on my hand, so it's very gold, but very pretty nonetheless. And it's so funny because as I'm looking at them like mixed in together, this does remind me of the what is it called? The Bobbi Brown Pink Glow Highlighting Powder. I was gonna compare it to this, and I just realized that I decluttered it a while ago, or like maybe a month or 2 ago, so I can't compare it, but I believe I reviewed it. I'm going to link it here, and then you can kind of watch, and you let me know if you think it's a dupe. Alright. I guess the next thing to do is to put it on my face. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually, because I'm so curious to see, I'm going to mix the shades together and put them on my, like this cheek, and then on this other cheek I'll do, I don't know, maybe like this color over here. But I really want to see them mixed together. I think it's going to look really pretty. Actually, yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to take, like I'm just kind of like tapping like that. This is the e.l.f. Airbrush stippling brush. And I'm just going to put on the tops of my cheek. Wow, that's really pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That looks expensive. I think it looks expensive. This is really pretty. and it's catching like that high point of my face really nice. And what I like is like, so I'm looking at you and you can't really see it with me facing forward, but the second I start to turn, like that glow really comes out. That is so pretty. So now I use a stippling brush or a brush that's more flexible just to kind of distribute the color better. If I were to use a more dense brush, it might pack it on too much. This is really cool. So I'm going to take it up this part of my eye. And it's pretty. Now because I'm tan right now, it looks just a little like, it's not icy, it's a little bit icy. But I can kind of make it work because I'm distributing it nicely, distributing it. So I can pull it off. But I seriously think I should have gotten the other shade. This will work for me in the fall winter. So that's the shades mixed together. Let me try. I'm gonna use, what is this? Real Techniques setting brush. I'm gonna take this shade over here, and I'm gonna dust it on this cheekbone. Now you see I have a nice little glow already. I just want to like amplify that. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my god. It's so funny. It like when you put it on, at least on camera, like the way it looks like in the light, it definitely looks like it's like a cream highlighter. It's amazing. Let me actually put a little bit of the gold just to kind of warm it up. Oh, wow. My cheek looks so good. This is amazing. You guys were right. I should have gone with this one first. That's really pretty. Oh my god. This, like, I can't believe this was $15. Really good. Really good. Amazing. Okay. Overall thoughts. Definitely worth the $15. It really does remind me of like that Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in Pink Glow, I think it's called. It's even kind of like, it's reminding me of like the Becca Opal, that highlighter. Like it's giving me like those vibes. It's actually very light and it's not heavy. And you guys know that I don't like highlighters that are too metallic or anything because my skin is textured and I feel like it's not highlighting my texture. So I'm going to come in really close, which I should have done before, but you see how the glow is still there? It's still there and it's not highlighting my texture. So if you do have textured skin, this is a nice one. And I suspect, let's try something. I'm just going to spray on top real quick. So if I kind of tap after it, I don't know, maybe it amplified the glow a little bit. I don't know, but it looks really pretty. I like it a lot. If you are fair, light medium, just under medium skin tone, this is going to be gorgeous on you. If you're medium, tan, deep, rich, the other palette, I forgot what it's called, but there's only two, is going to look gorgeous on you. Like, I think I'm gonna go back and get it. It's that good. Yep. Go check it out. Go try it. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you like it, because I want to know what you guys think. Obviously, most of you guys like it because you told me about it. Yeah, thank you for sharing that. I really like it. I always appreciate, like, you know, suggestions and things like that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you're still here and you're not subscribed, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye guys.